G'day YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you've been following me, thank you. And earlier this year I did announce we've got a big announcement for the club Bonsai Northwest Melbourne that I'm the president of. We have obviously you can read in the description, Bjorn Bjorholm will be back in Melbourne and back in Australia, but purely back in Melbourne to the club exclusively only to Bonsai Northwest Melbourne. Now he'll be here from the 31st of July to the 7th of August, conducting workshops mainly, a critique session, and he'll be part of our demonstration night for the club. So what you want to know, if you want to be part of it, Bjorn is, it's hard to get him out these days because he's got his nursery. He's very busy, so I'm very grateful that he's coming back to Melbourne. He came in 2015 and then 2018 for the convention, and I'm sure you've seen his videos online. They're pretty phenomenal. He's pretty awesome. He's very humble and very, very skillful and professional bonsai artist. One of the best, probably the best I've ever seen easily. And we're bringing him back exclusively to Bonsai Northwest. Now, you can be a part of it. You can sign up for workshops, the critique session, and you can come along to the demonstration as well. So what you want to know is there's a brochure form and a booklet and a booking form, etc. on our club website, bonsainorthwest.com.au. I'll put the link in the description below, so all you need to do is click on it. So what else? There's workshops running from the 31st of August all the way through the 7th of August. Think about, if you haven't done workshops before, think about 3.5 hour sessions with Bjorn. There's only 8 people in that workshop, so he goes around and works with those 8 people in the 3.5 hours, and you can be one of those. So the reason I'm standing behind this monster spruce, it's a 3-trunk spruce, is this is the tree I'm going to work with Bjorn in my workshops, but I'll do a double workshop, so I'll go from, that's a 7 hour session with him, pretty much. So I'll book 2 workshops, a morning and evening, or morning and afternoon, afternoon and evening. You'll see the times, etc. on the booking form, but you can be part of it. They're going to fill up pretty fast. We've already got our Bonsai Northwest members signing up, and now we're opening it to the public to sign up as well. We also have a critique session on the Tuesday night, which you can sign up for, and it's only $10 I think to come along to that. Very, very cool session of critiquing bonsai and Bjorn doing that critique on those trees. But the workshop's probably the best thing. If you've got a tree, if you've got trees, if you've got small trees, big trees, whatever, bring them along, sign up for the workshops, and it'll be awesome. Now, this is going to take us, that's why I need to sign up for a whole day, because this will take us a whole day to figure out what we're going to do with it and wire it up and style it, and hopefully I'll do a video on it and you'll see the end result. But that's the 31st of July to 7th of August. Bjorn will be in Melbourne. We can't wait for it. We're all looking forward to it. I think we're signing up a lot of people to the workshops. There's lots of spots available. That's why we've had a whole week. But he's only coming to Melbourne and only coming to Bonsai Northwest. So you're going to have to jump online to our club site and join up. What else? Now, what I'll do also is as a promotional thing, is I've got some really cool footage of Bjorn working on a black pine that I'll do as a promotional thing for you guys, so you can have a look how awesome he is and how awesome he was in Melbourne, and how much wealth of a knowledge he is and how humble he is as well. So I'll be sharing that over the next couple of weeks on my channel, so keep watching and keep signing up to those workshops. Anyway, I hope you're in Melbourne, or you can, if any of you are in Australia and you want to come down, come on down. We're happy to have you anywhere you want. If you want to come from Sydney, Adelaide, Brisbane, wherever, even WA, if you want to come down, come on down and sign up for those workshops and critique. You might have a couple of days here and do like a couple of workshops. It's hard to get Bjorn down these days, so yeah, very important to try and take advantage of this opportunity. Anyway, guys, hope you like that big announcement. Also, we've got our club show coming up on the 2nd and 3rd of May this year. We'll have that happening. You've seen all the ads I've got up and everything, but if you want to know more info, let me know. Come along to that as well. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that announcement. See you soon.